Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. From now, we'll be starting a brand new series on WooCommerce. So this is going to be an introduction video for a very brief introduction of what exactly this WooCommerce is. WooCommerce is nothing but e-commerce development platform where we can create e-commerce websites easily using WordPress. Basically, WooCommerce is nothing but a plugin through which we can create any kind of e-commerce websites on WordPress. And it is completely free of cost. Basically, WooCommerce plugin is free of cost, but it comes with some certain paid plugins. We have an option to use it or not use it, but then WooCommerce is completely open source platform, open source plugin that is developed by official team of WordPress, and we can easily install it on any WordPress websites and easily add e-commerce functionalities to any of our WordPress websites. In the sense, what are the features that this WooCommerce plugin brings into our website is nothing but, let's say, you can create products, you can sell products. How do you sell products? By adding payment gateway integrations. WooCommerce comes with out of the box payment gateway integration. Payments will be handled very smoothly, and we also have, you can easily sell digital products, you can easily sell downloadable products, you can easily sell physical products, you can sell membership, content restrictions, and so many things are there. You can even sell subscription services. Basically, whenever you think of selling something, it is known as e-commerce, and those e-commerce functionalities are added when you add WooCommerce to your WordPress website. So we will be exploring all these things. But now, in this series, I have divided it into basically 11 parts where we will be learning how to install WooCommerce, how to add a dummy data for a practice purpose till our 11th chapter. And in our 3rd chapter, we will import some dummy details like products and other information so that we can start practicing these options from 4th to 11th, right? So we will see how to add simple product, what exactly is simple product, what exactly is grouped product, what exactly is variable product, and what is an affiliate product, and how to add it onto your website. And then we will learn how to set up taxes in our WooCommerce plugin, and then we will see what exactly is this shipping zones and shipping classes, and how to charge based on the location of the customer. And then we will see how to integrate payment gateways like Stripe and Razorpay on our website, right? So these are very basic chapters in the sense, not basic exactly, we can say foundational chapters. Let me rename it instead of basic. Right. So what we will be learning here is very fundamental concepts, and which is like must have when you want to start creating any advanced e-commerce websites for yourself or for your clients, right? Once we learn this complete fundamentals, then we will enter into some advanced concepts of WooCommerce in our next series, and then after that we will learn how to create a dynamic complex website, e-commerce websites, right? In our another series, we will start building projects. So to begin with, this series is for anyone who is right now getting started with WooCommerce, and he or she, once completed this series, will have a complete understanding of WooCommerce fundamentals and will be easily able to administer or manage any WooCommerce or e-commerce websites, right? Very easily manage products, manage taxes, manage shipping zones, and manage payment gateways. These are the fundamental blocks of any e-commerce websites, and you will be able to easily manage these aspects of any e-commerce websites on WordPress, right? So yeah, let's get started. Let's install a WordPress instance and import some dummy content, and then we'll get started, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.